on the breeze in the air.
Before I start my video, I would like to thank each one of you for subscribing to the channel as we have reached 50 subs. And if anyone here is new, you can click down the link up and you can watch my channel trailer, and you can click down the link below and subscribe to the channel. On 100 subs, I'll make a video on how I edit my videos, and then share my videos as many as possible and bring people to my channel as many as possible, so that I can upload videos once or twice in a week. And then now back to the topic. You go to a studio and the photographer takes a picture of yours, and then if you tell him to do in this way, he'll make some editings and all those stuffs, and he'll make a specialized photo of yourself standing near monuments like Taj Mahal, etc. How does he do it? Well, you need to pay amount for that. But this trick might help you sitting at home itself. All you need is your phone. All this magic is done by the background eraser. You see film posters, thumbnails of the videos, they are really fascinating to see. I'll tell you how you do it and how you apply it to your beloved images and how it works and the apps that can help you do it. So without any further ado, let's start. As you can see here, I'm doing this on my phone. The first app is the thumbnail creator. Take a selected picture and then it asks for a cutout. Then you need to smear along the edge of the object and then cut out the object. Let me see. So here's just a fake try. So this is how you get the result at the end. The second one is sticker maker, and it's as same as that one, but you'll be provided with a magnified image of where you are cutting it out and with a dotted line. That's it. The third and the last one is itself the background eraser. Most people use this app, and if you don't want to create any thumbnail or sticker and you want the image to hold good with your monument image or something else, this will help you out in giving your image a professional and realistic look. It even gives you the features of resizing your pointer, adds sharper edges and points to give it a work of art and precision. So it looks really great. So here's how you do it. First, I'll open my background eraser app, and then first you need to select your image, crop it a little bit, and then you need to do it along the edges, and then at the end you need to resize your pointer in such a size that it can cover the other parts, and then it will give you the exact same look. So in this way your image will get a realistic look. Now how to get this on a picture? First, save your background erased image, and then open any editing tool. You can get many of them, and then you select your image, and then you will come with the option called PIP, which means picture in picture. Select your image and then put it down, and then resize your image. That's it, it's done. So guys, now let's talk about how this background eraser works. This tool is like a combination of the quick selection tool and the eraser tool, working simultaneously at the same time. The background eraser tool samples the color at the center of the brush and then deletes the pixels of the similar color as you drag around the image. That's how you get the background image as disappeared. So that is it for today guys. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you learned something new, and comment down below on which topic the next video shall be made. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Goodbye.